I'm here with Second Officer Raven Capro. We will check the cargo hold because already finished. So he will show you how to check cargo hold.
This is a man's world. This is a man's world.
Go.
Now we will go inside on cargo hold number 8 and check if there is a damage. After the cargo finish, we need to check inside the cargo hold if there is a damage.
Okay, all right. Let's go.
Let's go and we will.
What?
I will see you there in the inside cargo hold.
Okay, Second. Be careful. So now we're going inside. As of now, no Tagalog. English on. Kaya pala gusto mo ng flashlight eh. So sexy Second asking help for ChatGPT.
Wag yan. Nakakahiya.
Ay, bloopers yan. Ikaw naman. Second, what's the first step? What
First
we will
step on checking inside the cargo holds. First step, when you reach the cargo hold, check first the tank top, especially this
Bilges.
bilges cover.
Somewhere here.
Yes.
So, still inside.
The tank, okay.
Okay.
The tank top should no leaking,
No leaking.
no any waters in the tank top. This is the tank top. See, this is the tank top.
Yes.
And then secondly, check the longitudinal stiffeners of the cargo hold.
These lines.
Lines here.
Frames.
Frames of the cargo holds.
Okay.
Check if it is damaged, and also this what's it called?
Ladders.
Ladders.
Yeah.
You need to check this one if
Vertical ladders.
longitudinal vertical ladder.
Yeah, vertical ladder.
And then this lower hoppers. This is the hoppers. Check also if there is no leaking water, because at the back of this plate, as I explained you, at the back of this plate, there's inside water, ballast water,
Ballast water.
sea water inside.
So, Second, this ship have a double bottom?
Yeah, double
Okay.
bottom is inside the bottom.
Okay.
Inside of this tank top, underneath this one is water inside.
Okay.
So, also this one, you need to check. But this side here inside, this frame inside of this wall, no water. They call it inside here. This is between the two cargo tanks. Inside of this, between the two cargo tanks, it's a void space.
Void space.
Void space only. No water, only air inside.
Air
So
inside.
call it void space.
Air inside but enclosed space.
Enclosed space, yes. So now we continue checking the cargo holds.
While you check, you take picture or check only?
Check and take pictures for evidence that there is no damage.
So, example this vertical ladder.
Like this,
Maybe
this
before-
straight ladder
Straight
for
ladder.
the cargo hold. See, there is a damage, but this is not the damage now.
Before.
Because no any markings that
It's fresh. Yeah.
newly fresh paint.
Yeah.
Take out paint. So
Yeah.
our straight ladders, it's all okay, no damage.
Okay.
So everything's good. And
How about the bulkheads?
bulkheads, also check all the pipes of the bulkheads. If you can find any pipes,
Yeah.
you need to check this one. If there's a leaking or not, like this.
This is
This is the pipe. This is sounding pipe.
okay.
This is the sounding pipe of the ballast.
Yeah.
Double bottom.
Yeah.
You need to check if there is leaking.
Okay.
For now,
No. I have the session. Full copy.
Indian. You know, Indian. How?
So still the same.
So
No damage,
no
huh?
damage, only cargo some cargo remaining.
Okay.
Maybe it's like this whole cargo after shipping. The Cubierta boys will
Clean.
clean, sweep, then wash.
Yeah.
It will take 1 day to clean this cargo hold.
Yeah.
So bilges number 2 on port side, all okay, still intact.
So I have a question second. If have damage, we will report this to master or chief officer like this.
Yes.
And take picture, right?
If you found any damage during the inspection and after discharging, report directly to the chief officer so that the chief officer will issue a damage report to the foreman.
Yeah.
So that the foreman will come to the inside the cargo hold and see what they can do. They cannot do nothing,
They will pay.
they will pay for money.
What if they will not pay?
No, it will be reported to the owner of the ship.
We will make protest.
Protest. Aside from the protest, it will be reported to the owner of the ship and everything.
Okay.
That's
So
all.
that's it.
That's it. I'm
Okay.
checking cargo holds.
Thank you, Second, for the information. We will see.
It's simple to check. It's very simple. But nighttime is very difficult.
Yeah. You need to have a
Yep.
flashlight, right?
Aside from flashlight, you need
Cargo light.
cargo lights inside the cargo.
Okay. So that's it. Thank
That's
you.
it. Thank you for the day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take photos, evidence that there is no damage, no leaking. The entire cargo hold.
No need too much pictures. Only like this.
You
Yeah.
make as much as possible pictures for
For evidence.
reference
Yeah.
sooner or later.